What up, y'all? It's your girl JC, back at it again with another video. Finally, I know it's been like what, 4 months. I've been I've been busy. That's weird because my sister and her boyfriend Billy are coming out here this weekend, so you might see me and my sister back at it again. You feel me? But I just wanted to get on here and show y'all this wig that I got. Let me not show y'all where I live, but let's open it up. Actually, we don't even need scissors. Maybe I do need scissors. Oh my gosh. Okay. So what have y'all been up to? How has y'all New Year been? Happy New Year. Like, I don't think I posted this year at all. What's up? Okay, y'all ready for the review? I've never bought in a wig this color. Like, I'm so nervous, but I'm gonna color her. Okay, like, ooh, I'm revealing too much. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah, a 613 wig. I've never gotten a 613 wig before, so because I don't think blonde looks good on me, but I'm gonna color it, so it don't really matter if it matches me or not. Let me stop putting plastic on my face. It's a 13x4 frontal, body wave style, 12-inch length. You feel me? So I should have got it shorter. I was going for like, I wanted it to be like here. And I should show y'all the wig that I originally bought. It was synthetic. Your girl was trying to try the synthetic wave, but I was not feeling it. I just couldn't do it. I just tucked it away with the rest of the wigs. I'll probably like throw it on for TikTok or whatever, but because I'm about to color this the same color, so maybe I'll just sell it. I don't know. It was only like what, 12 bucks on Amazon. I was trying to, you know, try to wave, but it wasn't for me. Since I'm starting my hair company, I decided to go ahead and reach out to some suppliers that I was talking to last year and go ahead and purchase from them to see how I feel about their wigs. So this is one of them. Let's see. I'm feeling like I'm seeing a little bit of like flyaways. Like, I don't know, like these little, it's not good to see flyaways. Let's look at the ends, see if it sheds. I mean, not like forcefully. Maybe like one piece, nothing crazy. Nice, she feels good. Sorry, I like to smell the hair. It actually doesn't have that nasty smell, so I'm happy about that. Like, I mean, I'm smelling it down here, that little like weird like plasticky smell. Sorry, you gotta smell this shit. I do see a red filler hair right here. I don't know, I don't think y'all would be able to see it, but I see a little bit of red filler hair, so that's not good either. Okay, so let me show y'all the inside. Sorry, I have to inspect it because the way I gotta inspect it, because we gotta know if we want to sell it or not. I don't know yet. I don't like that there's filler hair. This lace is kind of thick too. This is supposed to be transparent lace, so let's see it on my skin. Ooh, that's about to be, ooh, that's so thick. Ooh, this lace is ugly. I'm glad the next wig I got coming is HD lace, so yeah. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? So this is the 13x4 frontal, 13x13, 4x4 with the 3 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4 clips, 1 at the bottom. Got the little lace in the back with the baby hairs. Do y'all be doing that? I don't know. Let's see. I know I got this little poof right now. I don't want to mess up my braids, but house is coming. How is this coming with this blonde hair? Blonde is just not. I know it works for my skin tone, y'all, and this just does not happen to be it. Like, this is not it. So, whew. Braids by JayceSounds, you feel me? No other hands. At no other hands. I changed my handle. It's just no other, because you don't need to go nowhere else. Oh shit. It looks like it came with a little bit of the baby hairs. I don't want to make a mullet. That'll be cute. Mullet mommy. Like, I want to say my homegirl, but she's not my homegirl because I don't know her, but I just be watching her videos, and then that fuck with her videos. So shout out to you, Cosmo Pro. I'm gonna throw the app, but y'all should watch her video. She chef's kiss inspiration. She is so creative. Like, never seen nothing like it, and I really hope she works with Rihanna one day. Like, 10 out of 10. She's amazing. Like, one day I'm gonna get one of your wigs, shawty. Beauty store haul. Beauty store haul. Beauty store haul. Beauty store haul. I got some products from the beauty supply that I want to show y'all. Okay, so let me tell you what's up in this bag. I'm gonna just start off with, you know, the basics. I stay with that. I stay buying this Shine and Jam because, you know, at no other hands. Hit me up if you need them braids, okay? I had to get that, and then I just ran out of my Lotta Body foam, but I've been wanting to try this foam right here. This one right here, for a minute. My auntie had it, and somebody I grew up getting my hair done from, been doing my hair since I was a little youngin'. That's where I learned about this. Boom, they got it in the beauty supply now. Nairobi is some professional-ish. Like, I don't know if it's gonna focus for y'all, but I'll take a picture and pop that in. I got it for $13.99. It is Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. So, like, it helps you get like waves if you want to do like a little wet set, scrunches, conditions, fast drying, non-flaking, adds body and wet setting, which I said already, but this stuff is bomb. Like, the packaging is so sexy, it's so smooth, and I just know like this is some good shit, and I'm excited. So y'all, braids is about to be slayed. My braids is about to be slayed. Oh my gosh, I put the foam on these braids and it was tickling, and now I understand why when I'm doing people's hair they be like, because like it feels like it's sliding off. But anyways, what's next? I got this Clara Advanced Gray Selection Semi-Permanent Color and 2-in Espresso Bean, because my hair, you see that, it's lightening up and I want it to match. And your girl is getting gray hair, and I'm so sad. Aww. Like, what the fuck? This is not cute. Like, it's like over here, like literally right here. I know y'all can see that. What the fuck is that? Excuse my language. What the freak is that? Anyways, stormy. I still look good. So basically, what we're gonna color shorty is baby blue. Boom. Powder blue. This is my spring color, you feel me? I can't wait to go crazy next week. And then I just ran out of my Ardell lash glue in black, and that's what I like to use for my individual lashes, but they didn't have it, so I just got this. It was only $1.99, so I was like, that's fine, but I hope it works. It's Broadway Eyes in black, strong hold, long lasting adhesive, and it is for individual lashes, so I hope it is like sticky like the Ardell one I use, because this is usually individual lash glue is kind of like liquidy, and I like use the black stickiness. And then I got these expensive ass IMB lashes. I love IMB. Like, that's my, so far that's my shit. That's my shit right now. Like, it's been my shit for a minute. IMB has the best like individual lashes and lashes. Well, I don't want to say lashes period, but they got the best individual lashes. So I like the V-Lux. These were $9.99 each, so I do get a 10% off discount because I am a licensed cosmetologist, but 10% ain't really much. So yeah, I just went in for the kill, and that's why I walked out spending $60. Everything was on my list except for these two, the baby blue and the 2-in color, but those were needed because like I needed to color this. I just didn't have it on my list, and then I've been meaning to pick this up, so everything was necessary. And I just ran out of long lashes, so I only have this one long lash, and the rest is like medium and long and medium. This is extra long, and the rest is medium and long. Long and medium. Anyways, but this is what the lashes look like. Aren't they cute? They're really natural. They're fluffy. I don't know if y'all can tell. See that? See how fluffy they are. I'm excited. I'll take a picture and post it because y'all need to see this. It's 30 lashes in one root. Oh shit. And they're 30D DIY lash extensions, mix of various thickness and length. So it has a J and a C curl, and they're 30D. So I'm excited. I can't wait. These are gonna be cute. So that was everything that I got from the beauty store today. That was my $60. Yeah, let's run it back. Two $10 lashes, medium and long, some $1.99. Glue, I don't know how much this costs, but some color. This was $7.49. More color. Some foam, that was $13.99. And my $11.99 gold stuff. $60 at the beauty supply. And I can't wait. Okay, so I'm not gonna color this right now because it's like what, 9:20, and I gotta work in the morning. But I'll get back to y'all. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right now, so y'all could be notified. And yeah, and hit that notification bell so y'all could be notified about the next video. So I love you guys. I know I've been MIA and I won't be MIA anymore, and I'm sorry I keep looking at myself. I'm gonna try to look at y'all more often. Bye.